Everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I shave my face, my shaving routine. I know this has been one of the most requested video on my channel, and I know I took my own sweet little time to do this video. I was preparing myself mentally to do this video because we are going to go so up close in this video. You will be seeing hairy Shalini in this video, so we are doing personally, we are going to become best friends after this video. And also I was preparing myself physically, I was trying to grow some hair on my face to do this video. I'm saying this loud and clear. I've always been a very hairy person my entire life. So I started noticing that I'm getting facial hair at the age of 15 and 16. This is the time when you will hit puberty, right? So I used to have thick black hair around my lips. Those were my mooch, my mustache, okay? And near my ears, these sideburns. So they were peach first, they were black in color, they were visible. And at that time, my friends and everybody else were getting facial hair. So I was kind of okay with it. I knew it, when time will be right, I can get rid of it. If I will talk about what all the methods that I've tried to get rid of the facial hair, it would be threading, plucking, waxing my face. In fact, I still use those methods sometimes. Now coming back to present, I still have facial hair all over my face, and my condition is a little bit different than other people out there, and some of you can relate to it because I was diagnosed with PCOD 4 years ago. So now the condition has changed a lot for my skin. Now I get male pattern facial hair. So I do get a lot of hair around my sideburns, around my mouth, on my chin, and also near my neck area. You can see that it is visible in this video. So this is me before shaving my face, and yes, I've tried laser also, but that's a whole new topic to discuss. So to sum it all, why I have facial hair and my history about facial hair, blame it to genetics, puberty, my hormonal changes, PCOD, and lot different factors which I might have not discussed in this video. I have been shaving my face for the past 3 to 4 years now. I've tried different technique and tools and steps for shaving, and so far all the steps which I'm going to show you in this video works for me, my skin type. So I really hope you will find this helpful. So the number one step for how I shave my face has to be preparing my face for shaving, that is pre-care. Pre-care involves cleansing and scrubbing my face. So cleansing and scrubbing will make sure that I have a very clean face to work on, and I can use my new razor on that face. It will exfoliate my skin. Also, if I have any dead skin and flaky skin that is so attached to my skin that I cannot remove that with the help of the razor, it will soften that area, and when I will use the razor now on my face, it will get rid of this. So yes, razor also helps with exfoliation and removing the dead skin cell, but you have to prepare your skin for that. So for cleansing and scrubbing and preparing my face for razor, the product which I like to use is this one. This is one of my favorite product. You will also see this one in my coming beauty regime, my skincare routine. So this is Body Cupid's activated charcoal anti-toxin and pro glow purifying body scrub, and this one is activated charcoal, argan oil, and walnut shell powder, and this one is free of paraben, sulfate free, and with premium botanical oils. If I will talk about why this product, only because this has very small beads, this very gently exfoliates the skin, and also after washing my face with this never leaves my skin dry. When I say never, it never leaves my skin dry, and I do not like to use razor on a dry skin. I want my skin to be little bit hydrated. Now let's just start with pre-care routine already. I washed my face with some cold water. You want to make sure the water which you are using is cold water and not hot water, because hot water can open up your pores, and आप जब razor use करोगे so हो सकता है कि dirt accumulate हो जाए क्योंकि open होते हैं pores, and there are chances that you can get acne. So use cold water, okay? Now after washing my face with cold water, I will take 2 pumps of this product and apply this all over my face. You can see that this is black in color. Also this one smells like charcoal. This gently scrubs my face, and I never feel dry at all, as I said in this video. So take your own time to scrub your face properly, around your nose, all over your chin, your neck, your forehead, everywhere. Take your time because this is the very first step you're doing. You're preparing your skin for razor. So make sure it is well prepared. Now after scrubbing for about 5 minutes, I will go and wash my face, and here I will pat dry my skin. Now while patting dry your skin, you need to make sure you're not rubbing your skin with the towel, okay? Do not irritate your skin. Press the towel on your face and pat dry your skin. Now wait for 5 minutes and you will notice few things. First, this scrub has helped in cleansing your skin, and also there is a smooth surface to work on. So this is my shaving tool, this is face and eyebrow razor, and these are all the products that I need to shave my face. Now they look a lot, let me talk you through them. Actually they are for precaution and hygiene, that is why I'm carrying this in my hand, and I have everything in my home, you know, and इसी से मैंने अपना routine बनाया है. As I told you, this routine is what I follow, otherwise I can end up having very bumpy skin, very sensitive skin, and not at all smooth skin. So I always like to take precautions, and hygiene is also very important. So the number one thing that you need is a good quality razor. This is by the brand Tinkle. This is what it looks like. एकदम pen जैसा आता है ये, and there is only one blade to this. It is very important that the blade should be of good quality. I've tried so many different kind of blades, and so far the blade structure this one has works really good for my skin. So this one has very zigzag kind of a pattern, and I never cut myself while using this razor. So this is one of the best quality razor that I've tried. Now talking about precautions and how you can get a very good shave, it is very important that you should have a mirror on your hand. So this one is a very inexpensive mirror, hand mirror that I have. I do have a wall mirror, but if I'm traveling तो मुझे कुछ चाहिए ना right hand में, so I like to carry a mirror with me. Next thing for precaution and hygiene purpose are tissues. This is just to cleanse the razor. So every time I will shave my face, I will cleanse it and shave again. Okay, you can also use cotton pad, but I will not recommend it because cotton pad अगर रगड़ेगा इसके blade से तो वो खराब हो सकता है blade. Next up is aloe vera gel. This will be also in my post care routine. Now a good quality aloe vera gel can really help you with the shaving, especially around your lips because this is the most sensitive area. So I like to use aloe vera gel around my lip. Next thing for precaution, hygiene and good shaving care is micellar water. Now why micellar water? I tried using just normal water after washing my face, and that really dries out my skin. So micellar water will cleanse your skin without drying your skin. So किसने कहा micellar water is just for removing makeup? You can use micellar water for so many things, you know. So I would highly recommend you to invest on good quality oil-free micellar water just to hydrate your skin. Now before I show you how I shave my face, let me show you how I hold the razor and shave my face. So this is the razor pen right here. इसके साथ एक ढक्कन आता है, so remove the ढक्कन. There you go, and you need to hold the razor parallel to your skin like that when you're shaving it, and hold the razor like a pen. So for my cheeks area, the growth of my hair is in the downward direction. It is pointing towards the gravity. So I always like to go towards the gravity. Okay, जैसा मेरा growth है उसी direction में मैं जाऊंगी, and I will shave the entire face. Now if you are holding one mirror on your hand and you're shaving your face, you need to make that face, you know, ऐसा वाला face, and इससे क्या होगा, surface smooth हो जाएगा, you won't cut yourself, okay, and आपको एक एक बाल दिखेगा, and you can cleanse your face properly with the help of the razor. But if you're clinging onto the wall mirror, you can just hold your face with one hand and start shaving. So these are the two ways you can shave your face, and I'm talking a lot and providing a lot of information in this video, but I think each and every detail matters a lot. Okay, so I'm providing every detail that I know about shaving. Let us start with the cheeks now. You can see that I'm all prepared for shaving, and today what I used a hand mirror and then a razor to shave my face. I'm holding the razor like a pen, skipping some of the sideburns. I made that, you know, face, and I started shaving my face in the downward direction. You can see that I'm going back and forth when I'm shaving my face, okay, for a clean shave so that I don't have to use the razor again on that side. So going back and forth, I'm shaving my face very gently. I have very sensitive skin, so I always like to shave in the direction of my hair growth. So the hair for my jawline is towards my lips, so I'm going parallel to my hairline and shaving my face, going back and forth again, and you can see that I tilted my head so that I can have a smooth surface to shave my face. For my neck area, what I like to do, I like to flip the razor like that, okay, and shave in the upward direction. For my neck area, the direction of the hair growth is here, there, everywhere. कुछ ऊपर जा रहा है, कुछ नीचे जा रहा है. So it doesn't really matter to me कि मैं कैसा shave करूँ. Anyway, I find shaving in the upward direction very convenient and easy to shave, and I will never cut myself if I will do that. So now I will shave the other side of my face, my cheeks and my neck using the same razor and same shaving technique. So you can see that on the left side of my face, I had this acne on my face. So if I have acne on my face, I will never go over my acne, and I will shave near that area but never over the acne. Now after shaving my entire cheeks and my neck, I like to use micellar water in a cotton pad and run it all over my face, because you can see that the left side of my face feels and looks very dehydrated, and it is very dried up right now. So that is why micellar water plays a very important role for hygiene and precaution, and I always make sure my face it is very hydrated. Okay, instant hydration मिलना चाहिए उसको तुरंत. So now it's time for chin and lips. I have different technique, not a different technique, a slight bit of changes that I've made for this shaving routine, because the skin area around around your lips and chin is very sensitive, so you have to take some extra care. You can use some shaving gel if you want to, but I like to use aloe vera gel as a shaving gel. Now aloe vera gel will create a barrier between my skin and the razor that I'm using on my face, so it will stop the friction and I will never cut myself, and I can go all over again all over my face and I can get a very clean shave. So the aloe vera gel that I used in this video is by Cupid. This is a very good quality aloe vera gel. If you're looking for a good aloe vera gel, just try this. You will really love this. And so after applying the aloe vera gel all over my lips and also my chin, I like to use the razor in the downward direction because the direction of my hair growth for my lips is in the downward direction. So going in the downward direction, and you can see that I can go over my lip and I will still not cut myself. So yes, aloe vera gel plays a very important role for giving me a clean shape. For hair near my lower lip, I flipped my razor and also shaved that area, so it gave me a very clean shape. So I wanted a very close shave for the upper lip area, so I went against the direction of the hair growth and shaved that area. Now aloe vera gel again plays a very important role for giving me a close shave and I can smoothly shave that area. Now chin area थोड़ा सा difficult हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए shave करना because it's a very curvy area. So for me, I like to go in every direction possible to shave that area. Because I applied aloe vera gel, so I will not cut myself and I can easily smoothly shave that area. So I like to go in the upward direction, downward direction. So you can see that I had one active acne and one dried up acne on my chin. So I never like to use razor on my acne, never. So once that is done, I have a very clean face. I will again use micellar water to cleanse my face for the last time and also to hydrate my face. Okay, and after that is done, I will just apply aloe vera gel all over my face as a cooling agent, and this is my post care routine. You can also use ice pack all over your face, but मुझे पता है कुछ लोग हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, कुछ लोग ऑफिस जाते हैं, so उनके पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता है कि they will use ice pack all over their face. So aloe vera gel is a cooling agent. This has also antibacterial, antifungal, and this is rich in antioxidant. So this will calm down your skin and you will not get any bumps on your face. So that is why aloe vera gel plays a very important role for closing up the shaving process. And this was my shaving routine for you all. So for future, I might change this routine a little bit, but for now, this routine really works for me. If you want to purchase any of the product that I've mentioned in this video, I will provide links in the description box. Make sure you check that out and you can create a routine for yourself using all that product. And बहुत अच्छे से last करता है ये सारा product. Come on, आईना आपके घर में होता ही है, टिश्यू पेपर आपके घर में होता ही है, you have cotton pad, you have micellar water to remove your makeup, scrub to scrub your face, you have aloe vera gel for your skin, your hair, you have everything. It's just that the technique that you're using is very important, and how you're shaving your face is very important. Little details matters a lot. So there are multiple different benefits of shaving your face. Number one has to be this will exfoliate your skin. So when you will use razor on your face, it will not only remove the facial hair, उसके साथ साथ it will remove the dead skin from your face. So this acts like a good exfoliator. Having said that, yes, this is a temporary painless method of removing the hair from your face, and you have to repeat this cycle within a certain period of time. For me, it has to be after 3 to 4 days. Number two, makeup, moisturizer or any cream and serum sits very nicely on your skin because you have a smooth surface to work on. So the most common myth people have about razor and using razor to remove facial hair was the hair will tend to grow faster, it will grow darker and thicker. Guys, guess what? This is just a myth. Nothing sort of will happen. Let me explain this using a logic. So this is your hair, okay? जब hair नया होता है, ये pointy होता है, and this is the surface of your skin. So let's just say this is hair follicle, root of your hair, and this is the brand new hair that you have on your face. So when you will use razor and remove the hair from the skin, let me just remove the hair from my skin. So now the skin surface looks very smooth, right? Now because you use the razor to cut the hair is blunt now. अब जब नया hair आएगा उसी hair follicle से, तो वो ऐसा आएगा कुछ. So it is thicker as compared to this old hair which was pointy. So this used to be the hair that you had on your face. Now this is the hair that you are getting on your face. So इसकी वजह से people feel that the hair is darker and thicker, and you never used to have thicker, darker, pokey hair. But yes guys, you will get pokey hair, and that's why you have to repeat the routine all over again after a certain period of time. For me, as I said, 3 to 4 days. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful and informative. I know this video was super long, but I really wanted this video to be super detailed video ताकि आपको हर कुछ समझ में आए, एक step समझ में आए बहुत अच्छे से. And I know some of you have this doubt, can we use this for acne prone sensitive skin? My skin is is very sensitive and it is acne prone, and this routine really works for me. All I can say is that try and test. Uske baad create a routine for yourself. Okay guys, so much of talking already. For more of such videos, you know what to do now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell icon so that you will never ever miss a video from my side. Like, comment, share this video, all those good stuff. And I guess I'll see you all next time. Bye.